Hall duty is really a place where we can establish relationships with kids. It's a place where we stand out in the hall, we say good morning, say hello, nice to see ya, whatever, smile, and they look at us and go, but we still do it. We still do it. When I'm out there doing hall duty, I'm always like, hey, good morning. Hey, nice to see you guys. Hey, good morning. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? And all the kids look at me like I'm out of my mind. But I can tell you that when I'm dealing with some pretty fragile kids and they don't have a relationship in the building, they will find me because of hall duty. Because they'll say, I don't know who you are, miss, but I just recognize you from the hall. So I think we have to recognize that hall duty is not about finding them doing something wrong. Hall duty is about a place where we can actually establish some good relationships and also keep a very safe environment. So if you're in the halls, the more you're in the halls, guess what? The less things you have like bullying. Kids don't do stuff like that when adults are watching.